Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Fix It. Today we have got MacBook Air. As you can see, the trackpad and keyboard is not working, so and check what's wrong with the device. As we can see, some screws are missing as well actually. There is a flex actually that is called keyboard flex actually, which has been ripped off and it's been broken actually. The pads are internally, so let's open the device and see what's wrong with the logic board. As we can see, actually the logic board looks quite clean actually, but there are some watermarks. So let's check inside the microscope. As we can see clearly, there is a watermark sign. And let's check in the schematics what it does. There is USB MUX IC actually. It's control trackpad basically. So that is the chip actually which is responsible for that. So let's remove the chip and see. We can see actually that the chips looks quite bad basically, so don't need to test and all because there's a lot of water. So anyway, we have to remove that chips first. Even if we are testing, it will show something short and all those, so it's better remove and then test it. So after removing, now we can see there are 3 pads which has been burned actually. So after testing, we saw actually there is no short to grounds, and then we rebuild the pads. After rebuilding, we are going to install it back the ICs and then test it again. So now we have installed the logic board inside the casing. So now the device is getting booted. As we can see, actually the trackpad is working back to normal and the device has been fixed, but the keyboard actually it's broken, the keyboard ribbon, so we have to leave it like that actually. This is how we work at Easy Fix It Academy. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and bell icon for more exciting videos. Catch you up in the next. Until then, stay happy, keep learning.